Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Dent. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, if you haven't seen the previous update, make sure to check it out. It's going to be linked in the top right-hand corner of your video. Check that video out because I want to make this one a bit quicker, right? Because I really explained everything well in the last Dent update. And right now, what's happening is we're breaking out of this horizontal or this symmetrical triangle, you can see, and we're back testing as support the resistance level, which is good, and we're bouncing off of that and moving upwards. You got your rejection from the 0.008258 level that I gave you. So if you sold from there, you could have bought back in 16% lower right now, and you know, just had a nice swing trade over there. But you do have your targets over here. I explained that in the last video. You have your targets from the inverse head and shoulders pattern, from the cup and handle pattern that we have going on. A lot of patterns playing out. Obviously, we're in the wave 5 of the Elliott wave theory. So yeah, let's jump into some oscillators and see what's going on over here. You can see that, you know, we're making higher highs on the RSI, doing very good, sitting on the index of 57. So really neutral right now, not doing anything. And that's great. We're consolidating a lot more time to dollar cost average. Obviously, look for the 20 EMA as your nice support levels, because you can see that over here you had a bounce off the 20 EMA. This is what I'm talking about. So, well, yeah, it barely got to the 20. It didn't get to the EMA, but you can see that it had a squeeze all the way down to the 20 EMA, and it barely touched it, you know, just a millimeter away from the 20 EMA. So that's what I'm talking about. You have your buy orders and just always set them above the fib level, above the support level, just so you get filled, right? Because a lot of people will set the levels above the support levels, above the fib levels, above the EMAs, so that people who are targeting those specific levels won't get filled, and the price will reverse after their order got filled, right? That makes sense to you? So yeah, and you have your long-term targets in the previous video. I think I mentioned those, but we'll go over them once again because a lot of people tend to ask this, even though I do mention this in the videos a lot. So looking at 12 cents bull market top, I wouldn't say this is a guarantee, right? We're sitting below a cent right now, but let's see the price appreciation that we might get. That's 1,600% of appreciation. I wouldn't say that's impossible, right? But I would say be more conservative and look for the 1.414 and the 1.272, and then leave 25% to ride it out in case we get to 12 cents, right? So yeah, you're looking at 7 cents over here basically, and 0.048 cents over here. So those will be your two targets. A lot of people are saying we're not going to get any bear markets anytime soon, and we're not even going to enter a bear market at all. And this was something that was very popular in the previous two bull markets, as you probably know or not. But a lot of people were saying that we're not going to have a bear market ever again. And those people ended up being wrong. And we had two bear markets after that. We had a bear market after the 2013 bull run and after the 2017 bull run. And we're definitely going to have a bear market after this bull market as well. So make sure to take the profits, guys. You don't want to ride the wave up and then ride it all the way down. So yeah, that's just your little quick update. Let me see. It does seem like we're creating some sort of a, well, let's see. We're creating some sort of a pennant over here, but it seems that we have broken out of it, right? Well, actually, it's still intact, right? Yeah, it's still intact. So you do have some sort of a pennant over here. So this bull pennant, if you take a target from the bottom of the move, and you take this pennant and you see where the breakout is, that gives us a breakout towards this resistance at 0.009629, and that is an appreciation. What is happening over here? That is an appreciation of 38% if you buy in right now. And as you can see, we're pretty much in the apex of this little pennant, so we can break out anytime. Obviously, if you start breaking down, that's a bit bearish, but I would think that if we broke down, we would just bounce off this resistance of the previous symmetrical triangle. If not, look for this fib level to hold. This is the 0.5, very strong fib level. A lot of support is going to be there because it was tested as resistance previously. Now we're back testing it as support. If we do start coming back down, that's at 0.006013 cents. So yeah, look for this pennant to play out. You do have all your patterns from the previous update. Make sure to check that out. You have your long-term targets as well. Dent is doing very good right now, consolidating. It's waiting for its turn. Obviously, every altcoin, well, not every, but most of the altcoins are going to pump, even the ones that you don't think have it in them to do so. So yeah, jumping into the Stochastic Rsi, you can see that we're on our way down. And as you can see, we're starting sort of to turn around over here. So this could be a trend reversal over here. So this could be your little looking glass for the price action. So if you see the trend reversing over here, you see us breaking out from the pennant, that's when you probably should enter, because you're going to see a spike in the price. Well, I don't have a crystal ball like always, but you know, it's up to you what you do. But you're coming back down for a bearish cross potentially, and you might get the bearish cross of the MACD. That's a lagging indicator as always, but if you get that, that's your confirmation of the downtrend. And a lot of the times when we get the bearish cross, you can see the project is coming back down after the bearish cross. So this is sort of your indicator to sell, because you're going to get an opportunity to buy in lower. But obviously it's not going to be, you know, it's not going to be accurate 100% of the time. So do with that what you will. And that's pretty much it for Dent, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the Discord server. Make sure to check out the HaZeeq Crypto Club. And make sure to check out the Telegram chat and check me out on Twitter as well. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.